Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I almost did not upload this video, you guys, but I recorded it, so I was like, y'all gonna get this footage. So I basically did some medium to jumbo, I would call it medium to large size knotless braids, and I did use all blonde hair. The color hair I'm using is 613. And the type of braid hair that I'm using, I'll link it down below in the description box. So I recorded the last two braids that I did. Very detailed. I'll show you guys exactly how I install these. This video will not be a bunch of me talking. Just wanted to upload this so I can show you guys how I did my own large size knotless braids. So I'm going to let you guys continue to watch this, and I'll tap back in towards the end of the video. In advance, I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel. I definitely appreciate it, and I hope this is useful to you guys and helpful. Knotless braids have been around for a few years now, and they're pretty simple to do, especially DIY. Perfect DIY hairstyle. And of course, we already know they're good for all ages, from the kids to the teens to the adults.
Boy, I've been watching you. Watching you, I've been watching you. I've been watching you. I've been watching you.
So I am all done. These braids are all complete. I love the size of these. These are very, very lightweight. I barely feel them on my head. They're not heavy at all. And here's a close-up of the knotless braid. As you see, it is seamless. There's no issues, no errors, no lumps, or no bumps, or no humps. I thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.